Dreams and so better if you know my train Brekum Chelsea. Hoy United and baby Gustas Abona Karela about Vision. Nation serves better Abrankesi. No more attrain young apostles. Na Samatex and so abo 8 men from Sepando out of lines on Monday. Benya Mediema Baseke Holy Stars. Now, 11 wonders are Amonsono. Ombabo Ayukumase. Asante Kotoko on Wednesday, yes. And games, and so bet me about any home komokaka na Mimbi lines no ma at for no. And so Aduana has what a game.
What a game. But he started from in the game.
Okay, Bechem All Blacks.
Who's the last time they the Premier League?
Is it All Blacks after say exactly. A man threatens them as a man
If not lost a game.
Omobobo pa. Bechem Zunkoi.
Yes, as I'm working in an okay.
Benjamin Quay, minimum degree.
It's a game that will be interesting. All Blacks team off form against Bechema, all try to find a form. Now, Ojidi say, since I started Premier League, no. So when I started and picking the home games now, or the side is yanko, Bobako. And Rich. So we a team na all struggle with Premier League anymore. Na opesa we left one a normal minu and the left. 1, you must start winning home games. 2, you must target the newly promoted sites now. Because unim the entire because our team micro relegation for instance say bechem kwa. Rich unim what it really means. It means Swedro All Blacks aba beji bechem position in the league. So woman newly promoted side ever no become league now who that no kwa. It means that you have replaced your destiny in the Premier League.
Oh, is it Bechem at the 17th position?
Yes.
With only 13 points.
Yes.
Bechem United.
Almost started has been very, very abysmal.
Wow.
Rich. And they will game share.
Okay.
Because we do for no so Bayra they are very, very good side. And it's a new form. It's always very, very difficult to beat them. But I think that Bechem should find the win wherever it is. Not intimidation. Aduana has. Rich, the last time I has shared Aduana, Eodoma. I think in 2012.
That's good beyond the wall.
Since then, their best air draw. Last time it is Kobe Jones air can say it is because they've always played it under a friendly environment. Oh, the other day in California, na Akubakem. This time they must be serious about the match. Rich, unim what is in this game? Aduana on the form. But onim say media man edit tawo. Onim say Kotoko edit tawo. Onim say Has edit tawo. Enti for Aduana, this is one of the games a 6 point amano. Say Oshe another contender woni fear. Onim say we weaken one of the teams a bet in a pre-league, you know. Enti for Aduana it is everything for them. Now Rich, for House of Folk. So what this season Rich has a form no and yes so convincing. But only the Bema na convincing. If us is supposed to beat one big club away. Ode shaklam kese bi away. Na Obianka say has a team here say you underrated but they are capable of doing something unique our league in him. And to Rich, this game is all to play for two teams now. Mamen confess here the eventual. So has to make a share now. Rich, in my mindset, my rating about the Hearts team will go up. Because Rich, in Pempe Ghana League him. So what me call Doma, I said this kind of team. Rich, you are capable of beating Team Biao Ghana. Because they are one of the strongest. My problem with Hearts again. A goal scoring. And we know Aduana one of the best defense. So how are House going to do it? That is the problem. Imano ma for Monday. Rich Okodoma, now they need to find a goal. They will score. They have shown consistently say, Oba Diana Doma. Na Imano ma for Jina game ni Munkuan dia. A 2 day or the body but what's in him. But when the Besama has for no, that is the biggest problem. Rich, minim say, but Adam when he money pato money Zakov Mukwan and Bayajin say, Samaka said, Diana is favorite to pick all the 3 points. I was our game with more. Or Makasa Ayala, you know, Yaji, but wait until we go and cause the upsets. Na Monday, Moba, Mabeka. So I think say it's an Adriana favorite game. Kerala will beat Vision. Vision are a very, very bad travelers. And Kerala try to find a certain level of consistency.
How United Gold Stars? How everyone almost all my on and off. She you know Malusi against Gold Stars and so on. Almost after some more a free Africa bomb 1 or 2 games you yard. Almost 2 come yard.
Gold Stars are very good at home. Yeah. But away almost so no at look, it's a game I will fancy how for the set. Anya Shikwa they will get Omanya de cry. They will get the draw.
Nations
Heart of Lions. Away to Samates. Who's the games we say no Mupeo? Yes. Our last game at home, they were disappointed. And game be saying open. Why he tells the players go and react. But some boys so nye and ye baby kitwa. And his coach Christopher Enin versus Bashir Hayford. Interesting games. Dreams Bashir become Chelsea.
Okay.
Yes, Dreams Bashir. Nations.
Young Apostles.
Nations will beat them. Nations will beat Young Apostles. See, those are my predictions.
Okay.
All a double chance. Nations will beat Young Apostles. Dreams will beat Becum Chelsea. 50-50 game for Samates out of Lions. Kerala will win. Adriana are favorite against Asofok. And Beche must find a win against Wedro All Blacks.
Okay.
Yaba Monday we will talk about the media
Basketball Stars game na ho enkomo. Misra mo nyame adoma. Mi baby lines na no. On the 1st of January, that is New Year Dano 2026. Edru a munim say Nhyira FM the family party no